A charger should not be exposed to water, liquids, chemicals, or rain or snow. And that's because these foreign substances can damage the power electronics or the charge management system inside of the charger device. And this results, or can result, in damage to the battery pack when it is charged using the faulted charger device. If you want to clean the charger vents or electrical contacts, which sometimes get covered with dust and debris, then you can blow compressed air into these areas. And I recommend using a dry, non-conductive cloth to wipe the dust and debris on the rest of the battery pack and charger if you want to do so. Never use chemicals or solvents when cleaning the pack or charger. This is because you may accidentally introduce these chemicals inside of the charger to the critical electrical components, potentially causing a fault next time you charge a battery pack, or potentially even before this.